Actress Wumi Toriola seek prayers and amid social media backlash over viral clip. Popular Nollywood actress Wumi Toriola has reached out to her fans asking for their prayers. The actress has been making headlines due to a viral clip showing her changing her hairstyle within the same scene in a movie. In response to the online criticism, she took to her Instagram page to pose a thought-provoking question. Wumi Toriola questioned whether an autopsy could reveal if social media backlash could lead to a person's demise, playfully addressing the intense scrutiny she faced. Her fans, in response to her post, offered support and humor. One fan humorously stated, "Dragging can't kill you anymore." Another reassured her, "No weapon or social media dragging against you shall prosper." One comment even joked, especially if they were dragging the person by their wig. Just as before this appeal, prayers followed, actress Mide Mattis and her husband Afeez Owo issued a heartfelt apology to Wumi Toriola for a costly mistake. This apology stemmed from a video that went viral, in which Wumi was seen changing her wigs during the same scene, causing an uproar on social media. The producer, Mide Mattis, and Afeez Owo acknowledged the error as a significant oversight during the editing process, emphasizing the unfortunate nature of the mistake. This incident followed Wumi Toriola's previous public lamentation about her fluctuating weight, where she discussed the challenges of body image in the entertainment industry. As Wumi Toriola navigates the waves of social media attention, it's evident that the digital realm can be both a platform for amusement and a source of concern. The entertainment industry, with all its intricacies, continues to reveal the challenges faced by its stars. From humorous fans' response to a heartfelt apology, it is a reminder that behind the glitz and glamour, celebrities are human too, experiencing the ups and downs of life in the public eye. We all keep an eye on the unfolding development and the support extended to Wumi Toriola as she continues to entertain and inspire us. Thanks for being part of today's program. Don't forget to hit the like button, go to the comment section and contribute. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. It will never cost you anything. Share this video with your loved ones. See you next time.